Namaste. Welcome to this morning flow. Begin standing at the top of the mat with your eyes closed. Ground through your feet. Set your intention. What brings you to the mat today? Let go of the past. Let go of the future, and let yourself be fully present, being mindful of the breath. Notice in your body where you feel open, confident, and strong. Let that flow through your whole body. As you open your eyes, raise your arms up overhead. Reach up. Now interlock the fingers except the index finger, and as you exhale, side bend to your right, getting a deep stretch through the side body. As you inhale, come back up. And exhale, side bend to the left, getting a deep stretch through your side body. Inhale, come back up. And exhale to the right. Inhale, back up. And exhale to the left. Inhale, back up. Now lift your heart. Open your arms, bring the hands to the buttocks, and as you roll the hips in and down, roll the chest open, stretching through the front body, stretching the neck, the front of the shoulders open, front of the hips open. Good, then come back up and fold forward. As you inhale, slide your hands to your shins, make a flat back. As you exhale, step your left leg back, lower your knee down to the ground, and inhale, raise your arms up. As you exhale, bring the hands down, lift the back knee, plant the left hand, and twist right arm up. As you exhale, plant the hand down, step into plank position, building your strength here, turn on the core. Set knees down. Glide back into child's pose. Then come up into downward facing dog. Press your right big toe mound down and raise the left leg up as you inhale, stretch, reach. Step your foot up to your thumb and inhale, lengthen your spine. Look forward slightly. Step your back leg forward and fold. Roll yourself up all the way to stand. Raise your arms up. Interlock the fingers again, index finger pointing up. As you exhale, side bend to your right. Inhale, back up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, back up. Back bend, lift your heart, keeping the hands interlocked. Look up towards the hands, stretch. Then fold forward. Inhale, hands to shins, lengthen. Step the right leg back, lower your knee down. Inhale and glide the arms up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Lift your back knee, plant your right hand and twist. Bring your left hand down, step into plank position and hold for 3, 2. Holding strong here, engage the inner legs, squeeze the legs, lift up in your middle, neck and spine long. Knees down, extended child's pose, stretch back. Downward facing dog. Press your left big toe mound, raise your right leg up, inhale. Step your foot up to your thumb. Inhale up onto fingertips, lengthen. Step your back leg forward and fold. Roll yourself up to stand. Bring your palms together. Turn to your right. Take your legs wide apart. Spread your arms out. Angle your left leg in slightly. Turn your right leg out. As you stand tall through your left leg, bend your right knee towards 90 degrees. Holding here 5 breaths. Warrior 2 pose. Bring hands to hips. Tip your pelvis out over your thigh, keeping your spine long and your back leg strong. Now bring forearm to thigh and stretch the left arm over your ear. Let the breath flow evenly. Notice in your body where you hold tension and tend to overdo. See if you can soften those areas and make the effort more global through the whole body. Press into your feet, come back up into Warrior 2. Feel the energy through the arms. Close your eyes for a moment. Just notice the heat and vibration building in the body. This is healing and energizing. Straighten the right leg. Turn the right leg in slightly. Turn your left leg all the way out. As you stand tall through your right leg and spread your arms, bend the left knee towards 90 degrees. Now place your hands on your hips. Tip from your pelvis out over your thigh, keeping the back leg strong, spine long. Stretch your right arm over your ear. Notice if your tendency is to hold your breath or to strain and overdo. Find the sense of ease as you look for good alignment in the pose so that you're strengthening the right muscles. Notice where you can soften, where you don't need to hold tension. Come back to Warrior 2, and with the eyes closed for a moment, reconnect inward. Notice you're building strength in the legs. You're getting strong in the shoulders, and your flexibility is improving here. Straighten that leg, turn your toes in so your feet are parallel, arms open still, strong shoulders. Good, now clasp your hands behind your back, spin your shoulder heads open and lift your heart up. Inhale. As you exhale, slight bend in the knees, tip your pelvis and fold forward, reach your knuckles up, head down. If your shoulders are tight, you could use a strap or a towel instead. Hold here for 5 breaths. Stretching the inner legs, building strength in the feet and mobility for the toes, spreading the toes, let the toes stretch out along the floor. Feel the backs of the legs open and the spine become more elastic. Let the head drop. Now inhale into a flat back, fingertips down on the ground. Turn your left leg out, hands to the top of your mat. Step to down dog. Set your knees down. Stand tall on your knees, hands on your hips. Roll your chest and shoulders open. Modified camel. Release. Sit back on your heels. Reconnect to your breath. Twist to your right. Twist to your left. Come back up. Hands on the hips. Roll open. Stretch front of the hips, front of the shoulders, chest, front of the neck open. Hold here, or if you're more flexible, you can place hands on the heels for 5, 4, 3, 2. Come back up. Sit back on your heels, or if it's too much on your knees, you can just stand on your knees. Twist to your right. Twist to your left. Balasana, child's pose, arms back, head down. Transition to lying on the back. Hug your right knee into your chest as you stretch your left leg out. Open your right arm out to the side and twist. Take the knee over to the left. Come back to center, change sides. Hug the left knee in. Open the left arm out to the side and twist. Come back to center. Hug the knee in and stretch your leg out. Savasana. Take a deep breath in through your nose, fill up your lungs completely. Then let all air out. Just let your body melt into the floor. Letting go of tension. Surrender. Let the rhythm of the breath, each breath, pull you deeper inward, moving through the layers, the koshas, moving from the physical to the energetic, through the thinking, past the thinking mind, to our own intuition. Sensing and feeling through an inner knowing how good this is for our body, for our mind and our spirit. And moving now even a layer deeper to the bliss body, experiencing the realm of spirit, our inner peace that's always there. Sometimes we get pulled through the layers back to the surface and forget. Staying connected now to your inner bliss. Make your way to seated. Thank you. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Thank you for joining me for this practice. If you did enjoy it, you can hit the like button below, and that will let other yogis know that this is a good video that they should give a shot. So it's your daily service in a way. If you'd like to deepen your practice with me, I'm going to put a link below to my Transform course, which is on my Conscious Movement community subscription site. The course will help to take you step by step in your practice, wherever you're at, so that you can access the practice and open your body like you might never have imagined. So I invite you to try that out. You can try it out for free if you click the link below for a month. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.